Hello everyone. In this session we will discuss about the importance of skills and we will also discuss about an umbrella scheme by Government of India which was launched in the year 2015, that is Skill India Mission. Because to start any entrepreneurial journey, only commitment, passion and networking are not enough. One must have a certain set of skills, that can meet the requirements of market. Then only one can succeed in life. And skills also help to generate a passion. Yes, there are many speculations and research work which state that due to automation many people can lose their job, and we too have discussed about automation in one of our previous sessions. But that doesn't mean there won't be any requirement of human resource. Ultimately, it is the human resource who have to carry forward this automation. That's why it is called as market-based requirements, skills according to the market requirements. According to a study by National Skill Development Corporation, by the year 2022, there will be requirement of around 12 crore skilled workforce across 24 key sectors. But unfortunately, most of our workforce are not that skilled, especially in rural areas. Due to lack of various training institutions, due to lack of various vocational courses, and these vocational courses are looked down upon. There's a social stigma attached with it, with these vocational courses. Well, this must be changed, and it is expected that this new education policy will help to change these social stigmas regarding vocational courses. Yeah, it is a change, and change happens gradually. But if the policy will be implemented rightfully, then definitely it can bring many social innovations. So, Skill India Mission is an umbrella scheme because under it various other schemes and programs are there to meet the requirements of market. And Skill India Mission aims to empower youths by imparting those right skills. When youths will be rightfully skilled, when our workforce, our young workforce will be rightfully skilled, then they will be able to meet the requirements of the market and they will be able to build a career for themselves. So, National Skill Development Corporation, which is a public-private partnership body, is implementing and funding different schemes and programs under this umbrella scheme, Skill India Mission. So, in this way, Skill India Mission will help the youths to stay updated and to upgrade their skills, because technology is changing constantly. So definitely one must upgrade one's skills to stay relevant in their career, to stay relevant in the market. So in this way we can our government can create a strong entrepreneurship ambience, because Skill India Mission is providing institutional trainings, it is providing professional trainers, it is also helping to create a strong entrepreneurship ambience. It is also creating sustainable livelihoods. It is also doing many convergence with other private parties, other institutions and other government departments to build a team of experts who can give judicious advice at the real time, to build more institutions. So it is really a very revolutionary scheme, and anyone can enroll under the schemes of Skill India Mission, and one can get the details from the official website of National Skill Development Corporation. So my dear friends, in this session we have discussed about the importance of skills. We have discussed about this umbrella scheme, Skill India Mission. So I would like to request all of you that please go and do a secondary research about the various schemes and programs under this umbrella scheme, Skill India Mission. Then only you all will come to know that what are the market requirements and what are those key sectors for which there will be huge demand, because they will demand skilled workforce. So please do a secondary research and then come back for the next session. So till then, take care. Goodbye.